And I just wanted to say, at the core of our approach at Astron, people hear the word AI and they think that what we're doing is akin to what ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini can do. And they're very different things. The core of our approach is that we are a bioinformatics engine that is driven by AI, but we have trained that large language model ourselves. It's been trained on over 100,000 peer-reviewed publications in the literature and open source data sets. And it's been trained by people that are incredibly good at this and understand the science incredibly well as well. So there's nothing from Reddit or Facebook or case reports from elsewhere, which can be really confusing. What the platform does is it really identifies and ranks potential drug or other intervention to target interactions. And we use a really unique weighted evidence system. And it includes things like the disease that we're talking about. Are we talking about evidence in breast cancer or colon cancer or brain cancer? How good is the study? Is it a randomized control trial? Is it a preclinical study in rats and mice? Is it a cell line study? How well does drug A bind to target B? There's actually data on the binding affinity. And also, what kind of level of clinical validation has there been? What kind of studies have there been showing what the outcome to patients who've adopted this approach? And the platform integrates genomics, so looking at the DNA, transcriptomics, which is looking at the RNA and the pathways. And that's really important because sometimes we won't see alterations just in the DNA. Sometimes we'll see, as Travis mentioned, alterations at a pathway level, where a particular pathway will be upregulated. And that enables us to understand what is driving a cancer mechanistically to create coherent treatment hypotheses. And then we use all of that data to create a structured research report. Okay. And this is really a framework. It's not a didactic report that a clinician should just prescribe. It is a framework saying these are the molecular alterations that we can identify in your patient. These are the interventions, whether they are drugs, supplements, or lifestyle interventions, which have the best quality peer-reviewed evidence. And we then leave the rest to the clinician.